Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. If your night light is not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, this tutorial is for you. So we will be doing very simple yet very effective steps to fix this problem. And the very first step is to do a right click and then go to settings. And at the left hand side where we have the system, go to display. And here we have the second option called night light. Use warmer colors to help block blue light. So the moment I click on turn it on, it's turn it on and it gets closes. So if this is the case for you, there are three things which you need to follow. The very first thing is to do a right click again and then go to device manager. And here under display adapters, you might have Intel, AMD or NVIDIA graphics. So here just do a right click and click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best driver is already installed, then I would recommend to select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now this feature might take some time. It might take 5 to 10 minutes to update the Windows with this graphics card. If it works, then try, and if it doesn't work, then we will move to the next step. And for that, just do a right click, click on update driver and select browse my computer for drivers and then select let me pick from the list available and try all the graphics one by one, see which one works for you. And if it doesn't, then move back to the same graphics adapter. So you can also try that. If that doesn't work, also look at the time. Is it the correct time? That currently it's 27th on Tuesday. So check the date and time. It has to be correct. If it's not correct, then you can set it manually from here. So you can search in the search bar date and time settings. And from here, you can change the time manually. Once you are done, if you still have issues, then we need to turn on the location services as well. So for that, just do a right click and then go to settings. And under settings, we need to go to this privacy and security. And here we have, just scroll down. And here we have under app permission, we have location. Then turn on the location. And once you have turned it on, restart the computer. It is very important to restart and then see if your night light on Windows 10 or Windows 11 is working fine or not. If still night light is not working, then I would recommend to do a right click and then go to settings, and at the left hand side where we have this Windows Update, please make sure you install all the latest updates by clicking check for updates. It might take some time, but definitely it fixes the issue for you. So you can also do that and let me know in the comment section if this issue has fixed. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.